Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you enough. So today I have a wonderful word that I want to share with you because something has been going on recently, and I know, and I want you to know, I want you to have the idea, everything that is going on. I want to carry you along so that you know about each of this response. You know that something has been going on a lot between the IPOB family, Mazi Simon Ekpa and Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Recently, a lot has been going on, and we've been hearing from Mazi Simon Ekpa, and today we want to hear from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor because he finally responds to Mazi Simon Ekpa. So we are going to listen to him and hear some of the words that he say, or some of the things that he got to say about Simon Ekpa. Then we will be right back. And don't forget, as you listen to this also, Simon Ekpa has already quickly responded again to Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. So right now we have to hear from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, and we'll be right back.
Onye were money were going to somebody not join the receipt $1 million the web on. But the man after 90 days come. This had been spending the bill. When the baby now go for the we need prayers. We need prayers. Never by the rest around. Getting numbed. Come on, Sunday politically that's what plus. My son, I want to go Anambra State. Anambra State, Governor his intervention. I can assure you now, we cannot. I cannot Okoyelona. I cannot Okoyelona. I cannot Okoyelona. Get another best Anambra State. Chile que online. What about myself? What was Landy Bogotando to the military? I'm talking about the guy. I'm also when that people don't have million. But going on, you don't see look at the high beauty. Patagonia Mamma knows the show an IPP. Patagonia Menka. We are seeing around his voice. Now, it's Rosie, natural Rosie, if I to a service back, who don't be able to do. Open on with a cable. Can you come out to challenge that message? Yes, today I'm going to expose the job up. Now is solution. In the matter, one company that you to say it. When I say I had only 2 times coming out and Katana one. My only other Simon, 2 times coming out and Katana. Let me mention them. One of them, okay, only do the Mosi. Okay, I compare a meeting. Who's the if it's very like I say, Apple, yes, sir, can we don't lose this? What happened? That part of lesson. I saw you kidnap my aunt. Come on, I saw Paran to come on in and you to kidnap my aunt. Sir, from here. You know, I come out, but I come down to a culture of smart. Come out, or you the same thing and say, object, but then listen, I got to show the record. It's your body dog. I saw it, pick up another. I send the object to my get out where MSC and doing some of the eminent. So I make sure no see on the dance here. It's also seems here. Right? Even don't want to tell me who I am. I've not declared a common man office in the I was there 2015. I know the one effect. I put a very serious woman I want to before. You know, you can't say they fought me and his wife. In Safana, no woman popped on my case here. Why are you here? Came in at 217. Only feeling at 217. Precisely on April 24th. Okay? Of that. Now, get my church with that. What helped us in that case, that column? Just rules of the courts. See, how do you ji aka na no kwa etu esi ni don da sakata na o just was na no gba media na everywhere na ekuma ke na me slap ya na ka ju ese ebe KCI the game now KCI the more stronger than even 2017 now it's straightforward thanks to Chief Michael Zeko said back to him I give him correct it's a wonderful man and the man I expect I hold the highest thing on you do him encouragement on you can him encouragement so I should ignore this people concentrate don't be distracted when you do if your father want to hear anything don't be distracted go and do what I do what I'm making wasn't going on the book who is challenging me when he's here who is challenging me who is talking about me don't ignore the person ignore the person and that is what we change. So when I'm at the post now one day and die if you make poison all the possible. You don't for him money. Often why can you get poison on one? To call the Adam. Okay, if you're a divine man, let me say something to you. Something that'll shock you. Go down with your family. Would you to kidnap in a Kenya? In my program with the capacity to keep you down. Oh, I got to kill him. But I am passionate ways to do the water over that. Don't tell him about the accident again. I told him, you say at the table, nothing will happen to you again. Not on my life. No matter, you have when I got around him. I don't want to go into how he trusts me. I don't want to go into that. Well, that's not most of it. God, no matter how much anything, no man, they have something now, not block. No, something analog. There's something now, look, every time they told me what black and white, it's open at the cage. I have a cage to be I gave you. Yakumo, Yabaram, Yabuman, Makamachum. You took news of Makayakum. So, what's someone I'm not seeing? We are about all come back, all on Yakum, but I will put himself. Makamachum. Half from one. So, I don't mean you, just like as I told you, or really I have to come. Nanta my manager, I even not get out of bed. If I don't back, I don't know when I'm going to you have not seen like it was now. If I say as Danka, it is not a pussy woman, don't it? It is not cement can't. They are seeing a project of them. They are working for him. They are working against him. They are working against him. He has only one structure. IPOB led by Chicken, US led by Chicken, does them. One structure alone, empty. One structure. So Barrister, Elpaniwe, Igwiki Kwari Kukwahozo. No one any other structure with that. The one structure going with that US led by Chicken, does them. Only about me taking instruction from Mr. A. They don't have land on the temperature, they do mature. Ah, but auntie, oh, when did I walk against them? The Karakana woman. And we quit in the age of the
Makasita at home on Monday. Amami, a patoraka banho, Kina Sacha the Atujo, Macaodico, or when didn't push it in, or broad DOS, or broad chicken do them for. Amam, Kiro, Netwaka Ban, Tupaya, where and when the Otto Madden on a line is to go Ajuju.
Because we have any opportunity to make this clarification. How can I put it? Okay, certain things. Okay. I can't see how. You must sit at home. Do something. Okay, Victoria. Concerns to express. Though it's a legitimate way of expressing this content. Yeah, you want the man how to happen now. Yeah, lady one okay. Normally go legitimate. But now only concerns when you do express it, which was your Zozi. So concerns express which is happening now. Because what can you for our fusion? But I thought in my head, why we work together? Like humans work together. I want to have a for. When I go out there, I come with it. Also, major for ihe o ji ekwu ya maka ndị iberibe ọsị na-eji ofụrụ maka ndị iberibe ọ bụrụ na ọ dọkwa against Shatu mana ndị iberibe ya hijack ewe blackmail ya that people gbe ihe ọjọọ ya ka o kwuru that time si na onye ka ọ na-atụle egwu then what's happening today amaghị ebe na ya ka ere today so na ndị iberibe ya hijack were ka afọ ya were mee ihe ọjọọ and that is what is playing out ya ka o ji sị onye ọbụla ife ọjọọ asịkwụsị however akwụsịgo start home ewesịrị ego ọda asịkwụsị mana my investigation nna asị okwu gbara ọnụ na mmere ndị ogesa which I've told everybody I've said it even on national media bụ na ndị be anyị on their own siri anyị mara nke enwetakwu diskọt ọda nye adasịrị na akọ na ọkasị njọ there are legitimate way of expressing discontent and public concerns and displeasure over certain things. So now, so what I saw was because why he said what? Because now, criminal elements will take the opportunity, hijack it to blackmail him. And after hijacking the opportunity, they will play into the hands of the government security agents. They are the back of send them mad. This is about sending mad. If only any phone cable now, Gafara Bena, or did not mafia, but I get the machine after the Baleto. Come be saying was valid. Then Cabo Bana, okay. Then I want it. A kidnap. Or Hausa. Yeah, criminal elements are doing it. Criminal elements are doing it. But the fact is that no one will know when we're doing it. Opportunity has been created by certain persons to enable them to exploit. So opportunity created the opportunity come easy for job. It must be stopped now. Now, Ganti, even the Amatata, now go Muchineki, now one up now. You don't live there, boy, live there. Or the Bible to me, what's not better than the young woman or William. You say not happened what they want for William. I want to kill his open. Edu, Omar Bada, won't walk. You say it happened for Africa. Come on now, in the office of their mind, just like I told you to was direct today. Now, this thing was talking about two and then she opened and to end. I could say all hands must be on deck to eradicate all forms of crimes, social vices, and criminalities in our land. Was on now the main caption point of the message. What was the Jofana? They cannot go anything and the development. Also, the guy backward. And actually, as a million the Bible investment about putting them in Lagos. I don't know where you go on Lagos. And when you buy, what problem man I buy and reach the bend down. Do you mind Japan Lagos? Hello, do you mind Japan Lagos? And then you know that reach Japan Lagos. Or hello, it's an abomination. Dundu, oga hapelu mpe no wago Biafra. Ebu hano bi na kita abta ga hano tanda anu. Ebu haje pa hanamba. Oku ha ebucha de ha. Na gba mo kan agwara alu, awu tolo madu nka. So nya ko juzi na se comply with those ya. Ana na ayo nyobuna. Konye ko na mo na aka. Na mo gwa. Ana ko niru of every day. Ana me ya. Na la hola na no, mo ya na no. Aka jin onye ndu hapa ekita na adi mfu. Ejembere pajen zuike chofu bodo jetije zu dela hola ebi kasika karan mi na Chineke na azom ebi kasika karan mi na Chineke na azom. So it is a very good point at this point in time for no man to get on your anti get on the anti get on the anti ana me kwenu eti mecha this program get on the anti bakona mo yin ko na da na ko na mo kan ko no mo ko na ko je kweri no ma ka ndi na ta fara ta afia ana ta afia ana ebuha in their numbers ebuha tell ma how can they change so no onye ndu gba ho na exent is not helping him. Canada his brother listen up his case come on and here ocho ko eri pete ba onye ndu mazi na nka no ku no total peace no condition that pass. Now, Igboland. Go on.
Ndewo barrister maka asịsa nke a ọ nwere nwa amadi anyị na ya nọkwa ebe a Biafran child, can you hear me? In an ife nnekwu?
Yes, I can hear you, Mazi. I can hear you clear as sound. Thank you, Mazi. Thank you for this wonderful job you are doing for the great people of Biafra. Mazi, Barrister, find your job, sir. I salute you and I salute your courage. And I will tell you to keep on doing what you are doing for Biafran people.
Mazi, you love me, man. Oh, Baki Bono, guy, where I say buying. Okay. So I should use Igbo, right? Yeah, I have to so buying. I say, I met the woman and okay, all right. Everybody stay family for and before now Ghana to all the put on say that na if everybody stay family for them next parimi and Igbo makobine and Igbo no of my but obona mona say na Igbo na adroma marriage. But eventually, you have to do your now. Can't get a stay family for the and the more who get me defend. I saw you go for no one Biafra defend here. One of you. And before now, during the mother to do only we feel you. Oh, I do on the bag. One enemy from somewhere or nowhere. But I will not now got you by stay fine with you. And don't ever go near or no on a high name or no IPOB member. This guy never contributed anything. This guy never went to any protest before. Or but however, when the ban able to go, she made Yamo, she made Yamo, and in the Bayan area. So I don't know where here, but stay fine with you for people. I was saying something about partial. Let me just take a partial reference. Just like here I live now. When the guy on my record the chair, I'm going to give some body slam. They were confused some collectors. They don't do to hide away banning. On do to hello. So, but I have from today. They now put out again 20th of October. November 2022. I'm from today. We also for example, small nan the canon, common. We have to wait after today mess up. Mark you now, I won't flow mark number one in the Mason nan the canon. And number one in the Biafra. So mark it, put that kind of so go ahead and say, hey, it's over. We don't know we are confused. You don't have to confuse that, no confusion. You see, even last year June 6th. As everyone in the media, some say it now actually, about what I discussed with him. Okay, here, you know, assist of June, I was mandated because of Okumokat Nanibo. Would have been this meeting, I don't want to know that's what all. One can ask it. He would ask him what you do. What can you do? Was told you, what did you do about? I said, the girl not home, I don't understand it. I'm going to have a cinema for your brother for the phone. If only one very well, I wanted your father and be it well. I mean, God bless me. Oh, I didn't let anybody know over there. I want your work. If I'm the stock now, case. I collect money. You put me. I'm a good man. I'm a good man of my practice. You come over. Right? Also, let's reach you go black man office in my song. When I'm not the no the chef when I come into never. But now, never forget you. Regardless, a woman can do better. I got miles will I come today. Oh, you work at now. So, it's not going to major. When you see, and that way. We're going to slam but I did. Oh, it's just a set up. Oh, indeed, now, indeed, not okay, we might talk of the enemy. But the guy here, I took one eye and no why. Oh, national gamble, I can't move my uncle. But I don't want to come back much in a kid, much in a kid, where to keep on your men.
Ọrụ sị hapụrụ ụzọ Biafra. Hapụrụ ụzọ Biafra hapụ ihe mụ na Chimpa na-eme ma ihe ọjọọ. Ya n'ihe ome adịm exposed to ụfọdụ ime m nụ. Ma ọ gaa zụtara okwu n'ala mụ na Chimkwụ mbara m n'afọ. Nwee mma ya emewu ya. So ihe dị na ya bụ na biko ka nna ya unu. I continue to beg onye ndu ezigozi ya zie ọ dị very clear. Edere edosi na ọnọchọ ka ese ba wu na ekwu ha na ihe ha na-ekwu. Ka ndị iro na ndị na-emebisi be anyị na ọkwa ndị iro na ndị iro ji ọkọchị na-emebisi be anyị. Anaba anyị ana nsọ. Ọ hotel ọgwa m gwụnụ. Anaba anyị bụ ana nsọ. Ọ na center of the world ọ na-echiche ụwa anyị okwuru. Mana ndị iro mana be anyị ebe a na nsọ ka ọ bụ ya ka eji agba mbọ ka emebie ebe anyị. Onye ka a na-agba mbọ ka emebie ebe anyị. Onye si ndụ na ndị agba nkwụsịkwa ụzọ ndị adị nka. Ọ sị na ha akpọrọ ha agba nkwụsịkwa because na ha nwere understanding with ndị na-enye ego na ha ya akwụsị. Ọ sị na ha ya akwụsị gwa m just okay na ha nwere ha na-achụrụ ha na nkwụsị ka ndị a na-ekwu na-enye ezi ozi ife ọjọọ mana anyị nwaanyị ji aka mana ndị ụnụ nwaanyị ji okwu nkwụsị ya. Mgbe mmadụ kwuru okwu egedere ya ntị afọ na ifeọma na-eme Chineke nye aka udo adị na be anyị. Ọrụ ụmụ ndị onye anyị the person will become relevant. Ọ na-ekwuza na asọrọ nwe ọ bụrụ ndị a na-eme na akwụkwọ akwụkwọ ọdịgwọbụla gị abụghị ya natara ego ike chọọchị agbasa. So ọ bụrụ ihe dị na ya I'm ready to take further questions. Ama m ya nwebe nneche mmiri dị ebe ara m aṅụ mmiri akwụrụ m akwado dị okwu m kata aka ebe ọ na-epịta m.
Ndewo barista ka m kpọbata ofu onye site na Zoom. Onye nọ na Zoom ị na-anụ m? Onye nọ na Zoom onye bụrụ aka enu ọ mkpọ afa gị n'ikuku. Pure White ị na-anụ m? Pure White na-anụ onye mụ na-apụta n'ike. Okay. Maazị barista Ejiofor ana m asụ udo dịrị gị. Ọ bụrụ na abịara mmadụ ị na-eme ihe ndị onye gụrụ ogo ọrụ ego chọrọ ị gaghị ige onye ọbụla na-agafe gị agafe ntị. IPOB kpọrọ gị ọrụ ọrụ anyị kpọrọ gị ọrụ ihe ị na-eme dị anyị ezigbote mma. Eche m na e nwere agbamume ọrụ ọzọ m ga-enye gị ga-ede gị ede n'obi karịa nke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-enye gị. Ege onye ọbụla ntị ekwekwa nna ka ihe ndị akụkụ ụzọ na-ekwu kụda gị mmụọ ma ọ mee ka ị daa mba n'obi. Nke ahụ nọmba 1. Ya na m na-asị gị jisi ike odogwu dike kere. Ọzọ dịka ya bụ nna m mkpụrụ okwu ha na-asị a na-agba ayọ onye isi obodo wụ Buhari si ya obe ka ọtọ ọda. Ọ ihe mgbagwoju anya mụ na onwe m nwere nwa ajụjụ m chọrọ ịjụ ndị ọkaiwu ọ bụ na unu enweghị ihe ọnwụna dịka any written constitution na-eme ịkọmpelụ onye isi obodo ime obe ka ọtọ ọda na-awụ nke dị ya ọwa ya ayọ. N'ihi na mụ na onwe m aghọtachakwa akụkọ ahụ dịka a na-ayọ ya ayọ. For me, of what reason bụ isi ayọ a na-ayọzi ya rather than to obe ka ọtọ ọda? Ndị lawyers ọ na onweghị ihe ha nwere ike ịgbakọ ọnụ n'ihi na nke ahụ na-akwadazi ikike ha nwere iji na-alụ ọrụ. Nke atọ awụrụ ọrụ ihe obi imecha bịa kpaa aha ahụ almost at your second to the last paragraph of your comment before amalite ịjụ ajụjụ. Ịma ndị ebe anyị na-eme ka atụrụ ọtụtụ mgbe anyị na-aghọta machi iji. So ọ ga-amasị m ka ị na-ekwu okwu onye ahụ okwu ngalaba okwu akpụ n'ọnụ kịta ọ bụrụ na ihe dọrọ the subject matter. Let's keep mentioning his name because ndị ebe anyị nwere ntị ichu ha na-aghọta ihe. Just like nwanne anyị nwoke nke ọzọ jụrụ ajụjụ si kpọọ aha Kanu nta kpọọ nne nna ya anya kpọọ aha Simon Ekpa. Biko onye ọbụla for the purpose of for the record purposes onye
ọbụla na-ekwu ihe gbasara na ọwụ na Simon say ka akpọchiwe ya ike because ya na onwe ya anaghị mind the word whenever you want to mention your name onye ọbụla chọrọ ịgba sị ka akpọchiwe ahụ ike maka ndị ebe anyị nwere ntị ike ka a mara onye a na-ekwu okwu ya ndewo ọya ndị ihe akwọ m chọrọ itinye ọnụ
ndewo maazị ndewo
quick one ịma na ka ihe a na-akpụ ya ndị be anyị si na onye ala pụta n'ụzọ ikpe akpa na-ayị ala o nwere ihe mara ndị ọha ndị mmadụ afọ gwa asị matpes I can assure you na isi igoro m ite isi hazin nwata kwụ na nne ya malahụla I believe not the business the business akaba ni don't move because na ọdụrụ m esa yo ndị ya sa yo na enye attention ka good attention from them and I continue attention at the notice I don't want to bring myself down to level your pets go to my class if I have na even in my platform being a credence you make and the man as you're talking to this person it's a foster is calm I was forced to mention his name because now I said I talked to him. You got to go. And yeah, but I tried to I won't mention his name again because all you unnecessary recognition. You know, when they I nothing control calling my names. I don't believe when they keep their business, they're there for him. And yeah, they desire the idea of treatment on it. I want the business on him. So, half time, for the past 2 weeks, I believe so. I saw my lawyers and then do two recommend. I for 2 weeks. 2 weeks I got because I prefer appellate briefs. I find a week compare look I know case so before I'm damage. But as well for that thing I'll go there again I ain't happy. Someone responsive. Oh, you feel like in recognition all deserve. Only can say treat that kind of persons. Sometime last year, only a client of mine got a yellow from the food. Some not okay, maybe I got you actually me. All my head of chambers, say, take instruction from this person. Yana bank at a Simoga. No one Abukunoka. And we enter into relationship understanding. And when I listen to that man and chapter Okunoka, we enter into the relationship understanding. Anyway, before I marry them, nobody couldn't do it here. I had the job from a guy, the voice for one night, the fight the criminal. Okay. If they go on that, ask them to even the Jella in a village. And some go to where I had, which I look at the Jella in a village. Do you to that on that? And no, I'm going to kill up. I know that. When it's on your body, one of the Shabako. For no one, from what Naga, I don't congratulate myself. Well, every day, Monday preach room, bye, Koduma, can do I don't do. What I have, it was a Muslim drama. What was the problem? Put him for 8 hours. When you're about there, in our Aboshan. I am not credit clone. So see what has announced from him. Then people who are evils. I'm not seen something in my life. I'm not seen it. So I'm not seen it. Dry up. You know, I do go out. You don't have to see all enough. You don't have to. As a matter of fact, wait, let me just say this. There are many of them. And they have really good on the bottom. Also, they have good. They chew like that, not in the smart. Also, they chew like that. No, do it. Let the rock. They will have it. And I'm not going to. Joya, how many else come on that up and down? None of them. How many else can get to go? It's like the pilot in there, the reporter watching. Not one person. All you do, if you to see anybody, once he approved the name, how many people send the go? No, hypocrite. Otu ọnụ ọtụtụ ụbọchị akụ onye akọlụgọ a na-akọ ya aka ọ na-akọsị ego every weekend mee fundraising onye kọrọ ya the money who's giving that money otu ụmụ ebe ebe na-aga n'iro onye ego nye ha ya na-egwusi ndị kpọm ihe ọjọọ who is giving that money ka nna jụka iwuru ya hand-on money na-eti na ya fọchịma na enwe ihe ndị ọdụ were dara ya na ahụ nnene were akọs confusion na be anyị mapụta ụzọ kidnap ya ndị odekwa aka ha ndị kama ya atụwa ndị na-efe ọjọọ ndị na-abụkọ innocent people afọ nwatakịrị agara onwe gọvanọ nwa ekpe aja akpụrụ ya na eme osi ntụkwa enwe maka enwe gara achụ ndị iro ọjọọ hapụ ya jee sụọ paket ọkụ maka maka osi there's no value for human life again they will not go after those people they will go and be killing innocent people na-abụkọ innocent people hapụ ha na-enwere eme nke ime apụta bịara ọgbanwe na egwu how many times people don't know the na-agba egwu ana m ajụ how many times have you seen him ndị na-efe ka na-agba egwu not that swimman ndị na how many times ka ọ na-agba egwu ọpụta ọgba egwu mee site mee nka onye bicycle how many times ka ọ bụ ihe abụrụ chance play it's not onye ọbụla gara na ntị after today who put number one enemy Biafra na enemy na Kano it's not onye atọrọ body to mention his name again onye ọsụkwa ya bụrụ he's not ready to mention his name again